Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of innovative kitchen products. Today, we have something that will revolutionize the way you make grilled cheese sandwiches: toaster bags. These little bags promise to make the best cheese for grilled cheese, and we're here to put them to the test. First, let's dive into the details. Toaster bags come in a pack of 2, and they're designed to be reusable up to 50 times each. Made of durable materials, they're built to withstand the heat of your toaster and make perfect grilled cheese without all the mess. Just look at these. They're made by Toasty Bags and are crafted from stainless steel. The dimensions are 6.7 inches in diameter, 8.25 inches in width, and just 0.01 inches thick. Now, what sets these toaster bags apart from traditional grilled cheese methods? Well, they allow you to make a grilled cheese sandwich without butter if you prefer a healthier option. Plus, they're dishwasher-proof, making cleanup a breeze. Quick and easy, perfect for both kids and adults. Using them is as simple as placing your sandwich inside, popping it into your toaster, and letting the magic happen. No more flipping sandwiches in a pan, dealing with melting cheese all over your stove, or using excessive amounts of butter. But, before we jump into our taste test, let's take a quick look at what customers are saying about toaster bags. With a 3.9-star rating and over 1,800 reviews, toaster bags have gained quite a following. Users love how they make grilled cheese sandwiches with ease and minimal mess. Some even use them for other recipes, like toasted PB&J sandwiches. Now, it's time to put toaster bags to the test and see if they truly make the best cheese for grilled cheese sandwiches. I'm going to prepare 2 grilled cheese sandwiches, one in the toaster bag and one the traditional way in a pan. We'll compare taste, ease of use, and, of course, messiness. Alright, the sandwiches are cooking, and we'll be back shortly to reveal the results. And we're back! The sandwiches are ready, and it's time for the verdict. The toaster bag grilled cheese sandwich came out beautifully. The cheese is perfectly melted, the bread is golden brown, and there's virtually no mess to clean up. On the other hand, the traditional pan-cooked grilled cheese, while delicious, left a mess in the pan and required extra butter. So, there you have it, folks. Toaster bags deliver on their promise of making the best cheese for grilled cheese sandwiches. They're quick, easy to use, and save you from the hassle of cleaning up melted cheese spills. If you're a grilled cheese enthusiast or just want a convenient way to make this classic comfort food, toaster bags are worth trying. You can find them on Amazon, and with their affordable price, they're a kitchen accessory that will make your life easier. That wraps up our review of toaster bags, the best cheese for grilled cheese. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a future review. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.